A retired Lamborghini is an icon, an era-defining moment frozen in time, leaving behind a dream that before simply would have to remain just that, a dream. But today, everything changes. We take from our history to forge our future, granting every enduring dream its reality. This is Selezione Lamborghini, the pinnacle of pre-owned vehicles and the most exclusive accreditation obtainable. To be honored with the Selezione name, each Lamborghini must uphold the shield, undergoing a selection process as rigorous as the initial trial to depart Sant'Agata Bolognese. Today, you become a keeper of the legacy. It is yours to uphold, to preserve, to honor. Welcome to Selezione.